In this video, I'll show you how to program Universal Remote for Roku TV. Step 1. Check the remote's capabilities. Ensure the Universal Remote is compatible with Roku TVs. Some Universal Remotes are pre-programmed for Roku and require no setup. Check for a dedicated Roku button on the remote. Step 2. Initiate the pairing process. Turn on your Roku TV, press and hold the TV or setup button on the Universal Remote. Enter the Roku TV code from the remote's manual. Step 2. Step 3. Test and finalize. Test the remote's functions such as volume and input switching. If the remote works, the code is saved. If not, try another Roku code from the list until you find the right one. And that is it. That is how you program your Universal Remote for your Roku TV. If this video was helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Bye.